How to delete Snapchat account. Welcome to the channel, guys. Today we're gonna learn how to delete Snapchat account. First of all, go ahead and open your profile. On the top right of the screen you can see settings. If you press settings and go all the way down, there is an option that says delete account. If you go ahead and click it, here you can see options appear that says you log in into Snapchat. After you log in and press next, there you can as you can see, there another option appears where before deleting your account permanently, you have to deactivate your account for 30 days. After 30 days, your account will be deleted permanently. And if you go ahead and again re-enter your password and click continue, your account will be deactivated for 30 days and your account will finally be deleted forever. And thanks for watching, guys. If you got any other questions, feel free to ask in the comment section, and see you in the next one.